This is Dave Mamet of Lotto Odds. It is August 14th, 2018. All right, I want to make this video just to go over the new filter that we are working on. We finished it, we're just tweaking it a bit. It is a powerful filter for box games. This produces back-to-back box games with numbers between like 50 and 70 or 50 and 80. So we have 220 numbers, and as you know, many of you know that all these numbers, right, 220, are all the box games in Pick 3. If you play them all, you will win every single box game, okay, because all the combinations are here. So the idea is to try to get this number 220 as low as possible, to be able to absorb losses, and so you'll be able to profit. So you'd lose if you would lost, but then won, you'd still profit. And the lower you go, the more you could absorb the losses and come out with huge profits. Okay, so I'm just going to show you an example here, how this works. Now, I'm going to utilize New Jersey Lottery down here. Let's see here. Right here. This is the New Jersey Lottery right here. Okay, right there. So, all right, so this is New Jersey Lottery, all right? So let's start with the numbers up here. So August 13th was 126. Now, as you know, you need two numbers to match for this prediction tool to work. At least two numbers need to match for it to predict the numbers. So as you see here, 126, it is no 1, 2, or 6 in the prior three numbers. So they utilize prior three numbers to predict the next winner. So let's try 475. As you can see, there's a 4, 7, and even a 5 there. So that's great. So if you put in, we're going to utilize these three winners to predict, we're going to utilize these three winners here, 977, 885, 347 to predict 475. So 347, 885, 977, and then we enter there. And one of the tweaks we're working on is we're going to take this top number combined. Once it mixes it and throws it down here, we're going to copy and paste on here automatically. So when you click this auto select button, it's going to do everything for you. You just have to come here, click the button, and pick and just play the numbers. That's it. It does everything for you. So even pick the patterns for you as well. So you have 111 numbers here, right, from 220 numbers, but I'm going to show you how you're going to reduce those. So where's the winner? We're looking at 475, right, 475. Now these are box games, right, so any order. So here's a 4, a 7, and 5. There's the winner right there. Now when you click this button, and there's going to be 1x to 7x, and it's going to keep reducing it and add more patterns and more patterns to get them lower. So one of the patterns is going to be like this. It's going to take out this, and then it's going to take out the sums of the previous one, which is 14 right there. You get 78, and then there, and then if you look at more, it'll even take out here, take out the odds and the evens. Look at that. Look at that. You've got 54 numbers. Where's the winner? 4, 5, 7, with just 54 numbers. Now 54 numbers on 5 dimes cost 25 cents, right? To win 37.50, your play is 13.50. Okay, now let's do another example, because this produces back-to-back winners. This is how powerful this feature is. This is one of the best filters that we've created so far. Let's do the next number, 347. 347. Okay, so 1, 2, 3 prior numbers. We're going to utilize it to predict it. So we're going to utilize it. 885, and then 977, and then 478. All right, and then like I told you, we're tweaking it, so it's going to grab the top numbers and throw it on the bottom to give you more chance to have the winner. Look at that, took it down to 80 numbers right from 220, right from the get-go. So when you click 1x, it'll take it down to 80 numbers from 220. Where's the winner? We're looking for 347. Where's 3? Wow, look at that. Not only is the box winner, it's a straight winner too for $225. And remember, you're playing box here, and you win $37.50 from 5 dimes, but you can bet higher. So when you get really confident, you can bet higher. Now, it took it down to 80 numbers, right? But look at this. When you click 2x, it's going to do this. It's going to take it down, down. Okay, now look at that. 58 numbers. And we're still going to go down. Hold on. So this is 16, 21. Let's see if that'll take it any down. Yeah, took it down a little further. Consecutive numbers. And I believe if you even go high, look at that, it's 55 numbers. Where's the winner? Where's the winner? 3, 4, 7. It's still in there. It's still in there. And if you go higher with the 1x, it'll even take out even odd. Look at that. 42 numbers. The winner's still there. 3, 4, 7. Okay? And you could play these. Hold on. Let's see how much that's going to cost. $42. $42 times, excuse me, $42 times 25 cents on 5 dimes.eu, that's $10.50. You could absorb 3 losses and still come out with a profit. And if you played it straight too, you would have won $225. Let's do another sample, okay? Because I'm telling you, this is a powerful feature here, the best we've ever created, and it's going to make you a ton of money. Easy. All you do is click the button and play the numbers. Okay, let's try to predict 885. The thing with 885 is you need 2 numbers to match. So if you don't have 2 numbers, see this 885, where's a 5? There's no 5 here. So sometimes it will match the doubles, sometimes it won't when you have 2 numbers to match. But let's try this. Let's go 977. Next one 478, and next one 267. Click that, and again, the program will do this for you. Copy at the top and paste it to the bottom. Took it down 115 numbers. And where do we have 889 in here? Let's see, 885, I should say. 885, 85, 85. There's 889. You see, so you don't have it in here. Hold on. Because you need 2 numbers to match. 2 numbers to match. All right? So 2 numbers to match, and this is why it's good to be able to play cheaply, because you could absorb losses. So let's go to the next one, 997. Let's try to do 997. Is 997? Oh, look at that, 2 numbers, and it can be, I believe it could be, if I remember correctly, it could be the same numbers. 2 numbers are the same, 7 and 7. Let's test it out. Only way to find out. Watch. All right. So let's go here. Let's put in, okay, we're going to predict 997 right there with 478 and 267 and 344. Okay, and then copy and paste to the bottom right there. Apply. Went down 110 numbers, and we're looking for 977. Where's 977? Right there. Bingo. Okay, and the filter could take it further down, like let's see here. The next filter will probably take it down like this that we're creating, so you're down to 94 numbers with the sums. We'll take it down. What is that? 1519. 19, like that. I'll take it down like that. All consecutive numbers. So we had 87 numbers. 87 numbers, and the winner is 977. 977. 977. Consecutive numbers. Let's see. Looks like we took it. Oh, we took it up because they're high numbers. 977. So 1x, 2x will take these out. 1x will give you this. This is 1x. We'll just do the filter only. So I'll give you 110 numbers. So if you click 2x, then you could take out the winner with that one. But this is why it's important to be able to play with the lowest amount of numbers to absorb losses. Let's do another one. Let's do another one here. Okay. Let's do 478. Let's try to predict 478 with these prior 3 numbers. 267, 344, 713. 713. Okay. Apply. Okay, hold on a second. Let me refresh this page. All right, let's put those in again. 2, 6, 7, 3, 4, 4, 7, 1, 3. Enter. Copy the top. Paste it to the bottom. Apply. Took it 125 numbers. So we're predicting 478. Where's 478? Look at that. Not only is it a box, but it is a straight win as well. And again, if you click up to 2x, it'll do something like this. Right? Take this out. Let's see. What do we have there? 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay. And I'll just take that out and take that out. So you're down to 77 numbers. 77 numbers. Where's the winner? Look at here, the winner 478. It's still there. And the more you click the auto select, it'll take it lower and lower these numbers for a very cheap play. That's from 220 numbers. Let's do another one. Let's do here. Let's do 267. 267. Let's do that. Last one we'll do. 267. Actually, let's do 344 later to see if we catch that double. So let's do this one real quick to show you. See how you're getting back-to-back wins with this? And with lower numbers, it's reducing the numbers drastically. So we're trying to predict, we're trying to be 267. 267, trying to predict 267 by playing the prior winners, 713 and 372. Add, okay, cut and paste. Cut and paste, click. You got down to 92 numbers right off the bat. The winner's 267. Where's two? Look at that. Another straight winner. Not only box, but another straight winner, 92 numbers. But again, if you click the auto select button, for example, 2x, it's going to do something like this. It's going to take out these. Let's see here. 8, 9, 10, 11. Sum is 11. Consecutive numbers. It'll do something like this. Wow. 54 numbers. It took it down. Where's the winner? 267. Wow. Look at that. Still there. Do you see what I'm saying? This is a very powerful filter. Let's do one last one. Let's try to see if we could catch that double. Look how back-to-back winners with this. This is how powerful it is. Not only are you reducing the 220 numbers down to even 50 numbers, area 50, but you're also not only winning box, but you're getting even straight wins. This is how powerful it is, and even catching doubles. So we're going to try to catch this double, 344, by utilizing 3 past winners. So we're going to do 713, we're going to do 372, and we're going to do 898. And there you go. We're going to cut and paste it here. Okay, like this. Like that. And let's see if we catch it. Okay. Let's see if we catch it. Looking for 344. Okay, 344. All right, this is 334. So it didn't catch it again because you need 2 numbers to match, right? 2 numbers to match. You need something like this. Let me show you. Okay. You see 898, 1, 2, 3. You have this 2 numbers, 1 and 2, 8 and 8. It could be the same, right? And it will catch this. Watch. Watch. Okay, here. So we're gonna try to catch 898 with the 3 prior winners, right? So 736, 681, and 887, right? Apply, copy, and paste. All right, wow, took it down to 79 numbers off the bat. Now where's the winner? Right there. There's an 8, there's a 9, and an 8. You got the box win. Okay, now again, if you click it another time, if you click the button to like 2x, it goes higher, it goes to 7x. It'll do something like this, 2x, again, just to show you. And then this is the prime number was, what is that? 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 16. Okay, let's see. Okay, and consecutive. Wow, but you're gonna love this one. Watch this. Watch this. It'll even take it further when you click it more. We took it even down further. 41 numbers. 41 numbers. So, but you got to watch out too because it could take out the winner. So the winner was 898. Okay. So here, look. Why was 898 removed? Because when you clicked the auto select button higher, it will take out the high numbers and leave the low numbers. So it took out this, took out the low number like that. You see that? See, if that wasn't taken out, then the winner, right here, look. Let's see here, take these back. Yeah, there it is. See that? 889. So, all right, and well, you still have 50 numbers. Look at that. Not bad. So anyway, it's in beta form. It's in beta right now, so we're testing and we're still tweaking it, but it's extremely promising, okay? And it's going to make you a hell of a lot of money. All right, good luck.